Hi, my name is Javier Colomer and I'm here to explain you how to use components and variants. Variants are very useful when we need to swap our components. How to do that? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how it works. And here in my prototype of my page that I designed, Second Market, this is a page for design products of second-hand technology. And here you can see the state of this product. How to change it? It's very easy. The thing that you have to do is to select it and automatically in this panel is a panel to customize the components. You will select the correct one. It's quite cool because you will save lots of time. So how to do that? It will take you 1 minute. It's quite simple to do. The thing that you need to do firstly is to create a component. You can use this command as well. And once you have your component, you go to variants and you change the name of the new variant, perfect state. To saving time, you can just copy that and paste it. You can center that as well, and you can change the color. Right. The only thing that we need to do is to change here the name of the property, good state, and that's it. You have your new variant and it will save you a lot of time. So I hope you like this video and thank you very much. See you next time. Bye!